Welcome back, and thanks again for being with us. With the heavy rains and the flooding that we saw earlier this month, you may be wondering what that means for our drought conditions here in Central Texas. KXAN's Chief Meteorologist, Nick Bannin, is checking in on that progress. So what kind of impact have we seen exactly?
So the biggest impact we had to the drought came with last week's report because we have not had any rain since last week.
Right.
So we're almost unchanged from the previous drought report. But sometimes what can happen is that the agencies that put together the drought monitor update can reevaluate how wet the soil is, how high the streams, creeks, and rivers are, and make some adjustments to the drought monitor for the better, even if you go another week without rain. And that happened a little bit in parts of Fayette County, where some of the abnormal dryness was trimmed down slightly. Aside from that, it's otherwise a repeat of what last week's drought report looked like. But you can see those very subtle adjustments there in southeastern Fayette County, which went from being abnormally dry to being trimmed out of that and not even dry at all in portions of the county. Otherwise, we remain in a moderate drought like last week for much of Hays and Travis, Bastrop, Caldwell, and parts of Fayette, and a tiny portion of Lee County. And then the severe drought, level 2 out of 4, continues for parts of Travis and Bastrop counties as well. I wanted to dig a little deeper here as we're almost done with July. We're not expecting any more rain for the rest of July. And compare January to July rainfall this year to what we should have had by the end of July, which ends tomorrow. 23.55 inches of rain is what we've had this year. Normal by the end of the month for year-to-date rainfall is 20.5. So we basically have roughly a 3-inch rainfall surplus. That's pretty close to an average month's rain. So we've got an extra month's worth of rain already in the bucket, which is a good thing to have as we've been entering this drier period. Of all the data that we track for the Austin area that goes back to the late 1800s, this is our 38th wettest start to the year, just January through July alone. I did want to look at these numbers for the last several years, more of a recent comparison, and it turns out this year to date through the end of July is actually the wettest year, the wettest first 7 months of the year over the last 5 years. You can see we're running roughly 2.5 inches wetter than year to date last year, slightly wetter than 2024. Sorry, that was 2.5 inches, wasn't it? Slightly wetter than 2024, much wetter than we were in 2023 and 2022. The last time we were wetter, January through July, was all the way back in 2019. So this is among one of the wetter starts to the year for us. No rain out there now, just sunshine as you can see from the Highland Furniture and River City Grill camera there. Looking out over Marble Falls with blue sky and sun. More sun today, pushed temperatures just a little bit hotter than yesterday. And much of Texas is very sunny right now. We're looking ahead to our next weather maker though, and it's this. Doesn't look like much. It's a small cold front that will actually grow in length as we go through the next couple of days and arrive in central Texas, we think, sometime on Saturday. Until it gets here, more of the same, mostly clear tonight, some low clouds in the morning. It looks like all my pause points have jumped off my map here for some reason, but a few spotty showers or a thunderstorm possible as we head through Saturday. There's a low rain chance in the morning. There's a slightly higher chance for a few showers or a thunderstorm in the afternoon. We still think the coverage of rain Saturday is limited to about 20 to 30% of the area, meaning a large portion of central Texas will not get rain, and then we're back to sunshine here on Sunday. So 76 tonight, mostly clear at night, and then some low clouds come in by morning. We'll end up at about 100 here tomorrow, with the early morning clouds giving way to a mostly sunny sky. Then a 20% rain or storm chance on Saturday. Low chances in the morning, slightly higher chances in the afternoon. Depending on the timing of the front, if it comes in later in the day, I think we've got another good shot at triple digits. If the front comes in a little earlier, highs would only be in the 90s, which no one's going to complain about. Mostly sunny on Sunday and 98. The slight cooling impacts of that Saturday cold front. You're also going to notice a humidity drop from Saturday to Sunday afternoon, We'll dip into dew points in the lower 60s on Sunday, but it's a quick drop and then a quick rise. We're feeling pretty humid again early next week. Here's a look at our first warning weather 7-day forecast. So only one chance of rain on the 7-day, and it is Saturday. Sunday back down to 98, back up to triple digits Monday, and then we're flirting with 100 here Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday.